Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching physical connections. This is essential. Identify which monitor accepts DisplayPort or HDMI and which speaker accepts line-level input. Once you know ports, choose a single audio path, direct speaker connection, or via an audio interface/DAC. Make sure the video card has 2 native outputs, otherwise get an active adapter. Plug power to monitors and speakers, but keep volume low. Now, route the main monitor to the GPU and reserve the second output for the other monitor. Do this before powering fully on. You now make the physical audio and video links. Plug monitor 1 into output and monitor 2 into output B, or use DisplayPort daisy chain if both monitors and GPU support MSD. Connect speakers to an audio interface or DAC using USB or optical for clearer signal. Otherwise, use the PC3. 5mm line out. If you need both monitors to play the same audio, feed the monitor audio input from the same DAC output or use a powered splitter. Once done, turn on devices and open sound settings. You finish by configuring both systems so they act together. In your operating system, set display arrangement and pick the audio output device tied to your DAC or speakers. Make sure sample rate matches speaker capabilities, typically 44. 1 or 48 kHz. Adjust volumes slowly and test with a dialogue-heavy track, then a bass track to confirm range. If audio appears on only one monitor, recheck the physical audio feed and selected output. One troubleshooting tip: swap cables and try a different output port to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.